Good morning everyone. After the release of DSE exam results, some candidates may want to get a copy of their examination scripts for further reference. However, these data are protected under the Personal Data Privacy Ordinance 個人資料私隱條例. Even though you wrote the exam scripts, you are the data subjects, we call DS, 資料當事人. You need to make a data access request. If you are planning to apply for a black and white hard copy of your exam scripts, please read the application guide first, which can be obtained from the HKDSE websites. You can also find the various application forms, for example, DAR form and PDPO form. Please be reminded that, although you are the data subjects, HKDSE is the copyright owner of all your submissions relating to the public exam. After you have received the copy of your exam scripts, as well as the marking records, you still have to observe the relevant copyrights law and the ordinance. Visit the HKDSE website, click Our Service, or you can use the quick link icon, Personal Data Request. In this page, you will see the application guide on data access requests, PDPO data access request form, as well as the supplementary form to DSE application only. Before you start the application, please spare a few minutes to take a look at the samples, including data access request form sample, as well as the report sample. Page 7 of the application guide states that HKDSE will destroy the exam scripts and irregularity reports on 9th of September 2022. You have to submit your application before 8th of September 2022. Otherwise, HKDSE can only send you the computer data, that is marked only without your scripts. If you plan to apply for remarking of your scripts, you may consider to submit your DAR form after the release of the remarking results. Normally, HKDSE will respond within 40 calendar days after receiving your application. If you submit the DAR form with a supplementary form for HKDSE and complete the payment on 24th July 2022, the report will be sent before the end of August. If you submit the DAR form with a supplementary form for HKDSE and complete the payment in late August, you can properly get your scripts and the reports by the end of September or early October. Please note that you have the right to apply the appeal review before or after receiving the remarking results. If you have special requests, you have to contact HKDSE directly for additional advice. The application fee is on the next page. You can calculate the application fee with reference to this table. $400 for each application. The payments include the submission of DAR form plus one subject. If you want to apply more than one subject, you have to pay additional fee $104. You are reminded that Core Math plus Module 1 or Module 2 are regarded as one subject in the application. Unlike the remarking application, you cannot just request the data of some of the components in language subjects. It means that you must apply for all components for Chinese language or English language. There is no limit on the maximum number of the subject scripts that you apply for. Therefore, you can get back all the scripts of the 7 subjects that you have examined in the DSE, or even 8 subjects if you have taught music as well. Payments can be made by credit cards or are paid at the convenience store. Please read the information carefully when you do the online application. You may need to submit a supplementary form in the addition to the DAR form, depending on which type of data you want to retrieve, such as entry data, assessment data, or other data that's shown in this slide. Please read paragraph 35 of the application guide carefully. You can find the forms from 2 places, either number 1 HKDSE website or number 2, HKDSE websites. You can either do e-application by submitting all the documents through the online platform, or a written application by posting or in person to HKDSE Wanchai office. This is the HKDSE website. Scroll down and click the Data Access Request box. Then you will be diverted to this page for e-application. Today is 15th of July 2022. The application period hasn't started yet. Traditionally, the application period will start after the release of the DSE results. In the DAR form, you have to decide which way to collect your scripts. Take one that gives you the most convenience. This is the end of my presentation about the data access request. Thank you very much for your watching.